Want to cook like a master? Check out these 10 barbecue gadgets that'll change your game. They're packed with cool features, perfect uses, and prices you'll dig, and they'll boost your summer cookouts right away. Grillight Stainless Steel Grill Tool Set. The Grillight Stainless Steel Grill Tool Set has an impact on your grilling experience. This two-piece kit includes light, easy-to-hold tongs with a one-hand lock and a spatula with a built-in water-safe LED light that's great for grilling at night or when it's dark. It costs about $25, lasts a long time, and you can clean it in the dishwasher. This set blends ease and usefulness, making it a hit with grill lovers for long evening cookouts. Brisket Origin 940 Smart Grill. The Brisket Origin 940 Smart Grill uses AI and with pellets to control heat. This grill connects to an app letting you roast, smoke, bake, barbecue, sear, and braise without hassle. It costs about $1,699 and includes Vera AI cooking. This feature creates custom recipes and runs the whole cooking process. Tech-loving barbecue fans who want tasty hands-off grilling will love this grill. Which gadget would you try first? Let us know in the comments. The next gadget will change how you sear steaks without breaking a sweat. KitchenCraft Cast Iron Grill Press. The KitchenCraft Cast Iron Grill Press is a strong, long-lasting tool crafted from cast iron. It's built to sear meats by putting steady pressure and heat on them. Burger fans and people who love a perfect sear will find this tool great. It costs between $30 to $40. This press heats up fast and conducts heat well, which makes food taste better and cooks it more. The result? Grilled food. OXO Good Grips Grilling Tongs. The OXO Good Grips Grilling Tongs boast tough stainless steel with angled scalloped heads tipped with silicone and handles coated in rubber to prevent slipping. These tongs give you a comfy grip and let you flip fragile foods like veggies and fish with ease. They cost between $20 to $25 and come with a lock to store them and a bottle opener built right in, making them a strong and handy tool for any grill setup. What's the one tool you can't grill without? Drop your precious thoughts in the comments. Get ready for a gadget that clean your grill while you sit back. It's coming up next. Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot. The Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot cleans grill grates without effort. This device runs on batteries and works by itself. It has 3 strong electric motors and brushes you can replace. These brushes, made of nylon or brass, scrub the grates well. You just need to push a button to start it. It costs between $120 to $140. It comes with an LCD timer and alarm. You can clean the brushes in a dishwasher. It also has a smart CPU to control it. This robot makes cleaning the grill easy for people who don't like this job. Weber Chimney Starter. The Weber Chimney Starter is a tough aluminized steel gadget that lights charcoal briquettes fast, and it has a cone-shaped bottom grate and a big ventilated chamber to let air flow well. It costs between $25 to $35 and comes with 2 heat-shielded handles that are easy to grip, making it safe to use. This tool makes lighting charcoal quick and simple, which is great for anyone who uses a charcoal grill. If you're liking the list of gadgets, don't forget to like and share. Have you ever used one of these gadgets? Share your experience in the comments. Mannkitchen Heavy Duty Basting Brush. The Mannkitchen Heavy Duty Basting Brush has silicone bristles that can withstand heat. These bristles are packed close together to put sauces and marinades on food without making a mess. Its long handle keeps you safe when you use it near the grill. You can buy this brush for $15 to $20. You can wash it, it lasts a long time, and it's easy to clean. This makes it great for adding taste to your food without any trouble when you're grilling at high heat. Kamado Joe Konnected Joe Digital Charcoal Grill. The Kamado Joe Konnected Joe is a high-tech charcoal grill with a Kamado design. It has an influence on temperature control through its Wi-Fi-enabled control board. Users can start fires with the push of a button. The grill comes with a user-friendly app to keep an eye on cooking and access recipes. With a price tag of $1,500, this grill offers tough ceramic build, a roomy 250 square inches cooking space, and a pull-out ashtray to clean up. Its multi-level cooking systems make it a great choice for those who want modern charcoal grilling made simple. Boska Monaco Plus Essential Barbecue Tools Set. The Boska Monaco Plus Essential Barbecue Tools Set comes with 3 top-notch items: a spatula, tongs, and precise tweezers. They're made of high-quality stainless steel and have diamond patterns on the handles to give you a good grip. You can get this stylish, long-lasting, and handy set for about $40. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and has a lifetime warranty. It's just what you need to grill meat, fish, and veggies with care. Weber Genesis EPX335 Smart Gas Grill. The Weber Genesis EPX335 Smart Gas Grill is a top-notch, Wi-Fi connected gas grill with 3 main burners, a huge sear zone, and a lit-up cooking area for grilling at night. It costs about $1,200 and lets you control it through a smart app that sends real-time temperature alerts. This grill gives you plenty of cooking space with 2 zones, has built-in storage, and stands on a strong steel frame. It's perfect for grill lovers who like tech and want a grill that's flexible and dependable. Thanks for checking out these great barbecue gadgets with us. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.